What's up, everybody? Bryce and Michael RC, and have I got an amazing review for you guys today. Oh my god, this has to be my favorite thing of 2020, 2021 that I've used, my favorite electronics thing that I've used. This is awesome. We got it for super cheap from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description because you don't want to miss this up. I've had a really big HD TV for a long time, and I've never seen any point in buying a projector. And it's just been one of those things. I see these projectors for a lot of money, and it's like, why do you need a projector? It doesn't make any sense to me. I don't want a projector. But my daughter asked for a projector on her Christmas list this year, and so she got this for Christmas. We found it on Amazon for super cheap. I didn't want to spend a lot. This is considered a portable projector. It's not one of those big gigantic ones that you do a whole home system for, but I'm sure you could. This thing is, it's just awesome. If you're not into, if you have a pretty big TV yourself and you're just not into doing a whole home theater thing and you just kind of want to have a projector every now and then and stuff, this is perfect for you. And I just realized something. Look at the picture on the box. It has this spot here. Mine doesn't have that. That's weird. False advertising, maybe. Anyways, it's kind of like if you want to go out and go with your friends or something, or you know, I don't know, you just want to bring a portable projector and just have a movie anywhere you go. This is perfect for you. And I'm going to show you some footage of what it looks like and stuff. It's an LED projector, and it's even true. It says the most cost-efficient high-resolution LED projector. So true. So I've got the manual here. I'm going to show you real quick just some of the stuff. I don't like to get too in detail with these because I'm not, a lot of this stuff, like a lot of you guys, I don't know what it means, when they say certain numbers along with certain things, but I will put the I will kind of put the parameters on here so you guys can see it, in case you're wondering. And it's a super wide screen. I'll show you guys that. It's TFT LCD. See, like that, I don't know exactly what that means, but it looks really good. 640 by 360 resolution. It's got earphones output, which you're going to need. The speaker inside of here isn't all that good, so you're going to need some type of speaker system to bring along with it. We have a computer. We just went and bought a $20 Groove On computer system that we just hook up to it, a computer speaker system. So look at these inputs though. You have a USB, HDMI, micro SD, and AV. So there's several different ways you can watch movies on this. You can download a digital movie and put it onto an SD card, just watch it that way. And HDMI, awesome thing about HDMI is you can plug in your Roku, or you can do like we do, a Chrome. And then I just Chromecast from like Disney Plus or something straight over to this. But I think whenever I show you guys this, I'm just going to do it from the Roku. USB, there should be a way to do this from your phone, but I haven't figured it out. It might be just the way that my phone's set up. But you're supposed to be able to plug your phone straight into this and just play like YouTube and stuff from your phone, which is part of the portability of it. But I'm not exactly sure. I haven't figured out how to do that yet. So if somebody has figured out how to do that and you have this, leave it in the comments. Let people know. It also comes with this remote, which you're going to use more than anything. So that is a godsend there. I'm glad it came with the remote because there's no way that I can memorize all of these. You can see all the different... Well, I probably could after some time of looking at it and stuff, but... the one thing is when you plug this into some speakers through the headphone jack in the back, the volume isn't up that loud. So you can turn it up super loud all you want, but as soon as you plug the headphones in, it goes to half, and so you have to turn it up. So, it's just kind of one of those things. So having that is awesome. So there's the different setups there. See, it shows your phone in the USB. And it's supposed to be able to do that, but I haven't figured it out. And this is also showing a router. So it must connect directly to the internet. I'm not 100% sure. I'm going to do a little bit more tinkering around with this. This is just kind of a first impressions review of it, so I haven't been able to delve too much into it. And a lot of people out there might think, you know, the TV is fully HD. You can watch 4K movies, like if you're watching Star Wars or something, you can watch it on a 4K TV, high definition, get all the experience you can. But this, you can literally put it at any size. It'll project onto an entire wall, and it feels like you're in the theater. It really does, and it gives you that awesome theater feeling. I love it. It's got this little tab here on the side that just, you focus it in with the tab by scrolling it up and down. The closer you are to the projector screen, the higher you go up. The further away it goes down. This focuses your screen in. And let me show you this. There's all your jacks on the back. Micro SD card, headphones, AV. There's your DC plug-in, HDMI, and then your USB. And this is a 5V2A. I think what this is one of those cords that, I'll show you real quick. I have one of these SkyDroid FPV things here, and it's got on both ends the sides that plug into your phone. So, and that, I tried that at first. I thought maybe that's how you plug it into your phone, like that, and then plug that side into your phone. But I still couldn't figure out how to get it to work. And it might just be my phone, because my phone's gotten to a point where I can't even plug it into a computer. I have to put an SD card in it. If I want to save anything off to my computer, I've got to save it to the SD card and then transfer it over. I can't just transfer directly from my phone to the computer anymore. The drivers don't read. So that might be part of the problem. Nice little simple projector, and it's amazing. Like, I was so excited about this. I was like, I'm going to review this, but I wasn't really fully enthralled with reviewing it. I was like, I'll kind of get to it eventually. And then we watched Infinity War on it today, and it was like, holy cow, this is amazing. So I was so excited about it after the movie that I was like, I've got to watch this. Oh look, get a free prize. Projector screen, tripod, choose one gift. Share your experience by leaving an honest review. Ooh, this is gonna be there. And then I guess I'll get a free gift. Sweet! Anyways, let me plug this all in, set it up. I'm gonna plug my Roku instead of my Chrome into it. And then maybe I'll play a movie on it, and I'll show you guys exactly what the experience is like. It's awesome. Alright, so here it is plugged in. I've got it just on a cat stand. I could definitely use that free gift tripod for sure. I've got a tripod somewhere. I guess I could probably hook it up too, but I'd rather have a tripod specifically for this. I'll go look one up just in case. But I've got these super cheap Groove-On speakers that work perfectly for this. You can see that it's on. I've got the Roku hooked up here. Let's just put it there so you guys can see it. And then I'm just showing you guys this in the light because it doesn't do that good with lights on. So we're gonna take the lighting down. That's my wall. It's a regular wall. You guys can see it's the color blue. It's a light blue. So you'll be able to see kind of the color variation of it and stuff. And let me do a focus real quick just so you guys can see. Here's that side thing. And then see how it blurs. And you focus it back in. So there we are. Alright, let me pick a movie of some kind. You better not get demonetized for this because I'm helping you out, Disney. Free ad, because Disney Plus is amazing. So, full light on. You can see. You can still see it pretty good with a full light on. And let's go down. I was watching a movie earlier. I know this is the most hated Star Wars movie of all time, but it's actually should be on resume right in the middle of it. So that's the only reason I'm doing it, because I don't want to have to go through the whole beginning stuff. So that's with the lights on. And then, there we go. And it looks great. Just you can see the individual LCD squares in it, the individual LED lights, but it gives you that whole immersive feel like you're actually inside of a theater. Look how good that looks from my phone. A lot better than I thought it would, especially on a blue screen. It's amazing. But let me show you guys. Oh, that's awesome. And that's at a pretty decent distance to the wall. On another side of my house. And this is a pretty big wall.
Let's see who formerly owned this gorgeous hunk. Let me learn you something big. It's all a machine, partner. Live free, don't join.
And this is how big it is. This is how big it is. Screen to screen.
That was the last of their support ships. It's just their main cruiser now.
And their fuel reserve?
By our calculation, critical. See in there?
The Admiral's found you from the bridge. Let's not have a scene.
Now let's.
Now here's the thing. I'm sure, I am dead positive that there are other projectors way better than this. Like way better than this. Better quality, better everything, bigger screen, more, you know, precise tuning when it comes to the picture and such. But at this price, let me do a price right up here somewhere.
We're abandoning ship.
And you'll see just how worth it this is. So if you've never, let me turn this off. Even if you have a projector, this is a good idea to get because it's a portable projector. You can take it anywhere. And you can see this whole setup I've got going on here. It's just a little stand that I found with my safe here, 2 cheap speakers, and I got the whole immersive theater experience with that. I mean, that's awesome. You can take it anywhere and get that experience. You know, take it to a picnic or a barbecue or something. You know, set it out swimming at nighttime at a party and you have some friends over. You want to sit in the hot tub and watch a movie. Like, you can take this anywhere. Drag it all over the place. You got a professional projector system, home theater set up in your house. It'll probably stay there. You don't want to move around a $200-300 projector all over the place and risk damaging it or anything like that. You want it to sit there in your theater area and just watch it from there with your nice projector screen and all this different stuff. You can see I'm projecting to my wall, no screen, a blue wall, no screen. It's ridiculous. And it gives you a fully immersive theater experience, so you could take it outside. Any old screen would do. You know what I mean? Anywhere you want to go. It's awesome. Go camping, set it up, use one of your tents as the screen or something. I mean, it's just amazing. You can take movies with you anywhere you want to go and hook up anything to it. I hooked up the Roku this time. I hooked up the Chromecast last time. I mean, you have an HDMI. Our Cox box comes with an HDMI. I could watch cable on this if I wanted to. I could watch football games. If you don't want a home theater but you want to watch football games on a way bigger screen, we could watch football on this, or any sports. You could have a big party. Maybe you don't want to spend a whole lot of money on a projector home theater that you're only going to watch like once a year or something like that. It's perfect for it. You know what I mean? Or if you're just wanting to get into the whole home theater and kind of see what it's like. You don't really want to spend a whole lot of money on a projector because you don't know if you're going to like it as much as you like your TV and stuff. This is amazing. It's an amazing product. I'm so glad that they made a projector with this type of ability. I can't say enough about this thing. I love it. I'll leave a link in the description. I suggest anybody on my YouTube, go out and get it. Seriously. And these people aren't paying me. This is an honest review. I'm literally only doing this review because of how excited I was after watching Infinity War. No joke. Like, I was like, I'm going to do a review on this when she first opened it, and I kept the box for that purpose only. But then I was kind of like, yeah, I'll get to it. I'm doing the review right now because of how excited I was. I think everybody needs to get one of these. I really do. And it's within anybody's wheelhouse budget. So, anyways, my name is Bryce Michael RC. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. Go out and get it. Promise you, you will not regret it at all. I'll see you guys later. Have a good one.